Hello and welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andre Alvaro, and it's time for Beerman discussion. Some of the reports are Chris Banchero is moving to a return club to the San Miguel Beermen in exchange with Dave Semerad, who is currently playing in the current squad, the Beermen, which is trading in a link to the Aces. So we have the reports that Chris Banchero is moving possibly to in a return to the San Miguel Beermen squad. Ay, tandaan nyo, Chris Banchero is currently playing with Alaska. He's also a former San Miguel Beerman that led his squad to win the ABL title in the past few years. So, kailangan natin si Chris Banchero in the next conference para lumakas ang San Miguel Beermen muli. Just like ABL days. Kaya kakailangan natin si Chris Banchero para pumirma siya sa ating club. Kaya magandang isip ng mga Beermen players na possibly na kakailangan natin si Chris Banchero sa lalong madaling panahon. At malapit na yung transfer window sa darating na Enero bago ang Commissioner's Cup na mag-umpisa by 4th week of January. Kaya paghahandan nila ang mga bagong set of players ng San Miguel Beermen na makakapasok. Pero hindi pa natin alam kung sino kaya ang bagong player in a January signings. Let us tell us comment section below. I'm Andre Alvaro and we'll see you in the next video. Shalom. Bye.